Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a bag of stuff here to show you, and it's from a company called Gudfel. Yeah, never heard of them, but they did contact me and they asked me if I wanted to show a couple things, and there's just a few things here really. This is not a huge order or anything, but I thought this was interesting. We have a box of something. We have, looks like a painting. Looks like another painting and another painting. Okay, so that's what I got. A few things. Let's look at the box first. I know what's in the box. I could see it. Box got smooshed, but it doesn't matter. What's in here, it's not gonna hurt it. All right, here's our drills coming out like that. Okay, there's the drills. And here's what is inside. Is our toolkit? Yeah, that's a toolkit. Okay. All right, so here's what we have. You can tell it's rhinestones, pretty colored rhinestones. So here's what I got. This is what they're calling a wall decoration. Like you could put this on the wall. These are like stickers. I believe they're stickers. Now, I need some flattening for sure, but it was super cute. And I thought for a girl's room, like, you know, of course I always think of my granddaughter when I see stuff like this. Very girly. Got the Eiffel Tower, a whole bunch of butterflies. And so I think you just stick these everywhere. You just peel and stick. The girl riding the bike. This says love. It was really cute, wasn't it? Yeah, so these just, you can tell, these peel off here. And they'll be like a clear backed vinyl sticker. So here's our plastic. And then these will peel right off there. Okay? All right. So I have to get it flat first. But anyhow. It's cute, super cute. It was in the area with like, have you seen the growth charts? They've got growth charts. I almost got one of those, but I really don't have anybody that needs a growth chart. So I thought, let's go with something cute like this, just some wall decor, all right? Cute. Okay, let's look at the drills for that. That'll be fun to do. Can you imagine just giving that to like my granddaughter and be like, here, peel these off, stick them on your wall. Her mom will be like, thanks, Grandma, thanks. But it'll be fun. That's what kids are supposed to be able to do, right? Lots of pinks and purples, and red and orange. That's the rhinestones. Okay, now we got champagne. What are those? Marquise. Oh, hello, slivers. There's some slivers. Some more marquise. Some red marquise. Oh, some more slivers. And more slivers. And more slivers. And then we get shards. This is the third time lately I've gotten these shards in that color, that gold. Oh, a bunch of hearts. Pink ones and the clear ones. Love it. So that will be fun. I just thought that was going to be a fun little project to work on. Love it. Where's my knife? I just got done doing an unboxing. Of course, I put my knife away. Last time I was smart and I opened everything up. This time, I was just trying to go fast. Trying to get this one done through my last video of the day. Trying to pace myself. Oh, yay, 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 yay. Okay. And last thing I unboxed, I got one of these. I'm so excited. As a matter of fact, I've already got it ready to go. Man, maybe I'll change my mind and do this one. It's smashing the special still, and I'm trying to get a few more things done, and I'm in love with these. This is my new collection. You know, I collect things. This is what I'm going to collect. Okay, you ready? It's quilling. Look at it. Isn't that cool? These are so neat when they are done. They just pop right off the page, 3D like. I love these. These are so cool. Look at that one. Come on, stop with the glare. Seriously, stop with the glare. Lay down. Stop glaring. Too much plastic, too much glare. Aren't they pretty though? I love these. I will get all of these. I will. And I will do them because they are fun. I do the rhinestones first and then throw on the specials. These are easy to do. They're quick. There's not too much. This one only has 7 different colors, shapes. Let's see what we get. The clear, a whole big bag of purple. That's all the rhinestones. Seriously. Okay. 2 colors of rhinestones. The rest are special. Bigger, clear, purple, larger purple, some teardrops, and some pink marquise. That's beautiful. I love these. I love them. Let me know what you think. Do you like these? They're so cool. There are so many of them. I wonder if I got any more. Did I get 2 from them? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. This doesn't seem like one. This seems larger. Whatever this is. Okay. What is it? Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, this is one I've been seeing for a while, and I'm like, yeah. Okay. Toolkit. Drills. Yes, please. 14 different shapes, colors, etc. I love it. Look at the butterfly. And I recently did one of the acrylic 3D hangings that's like this, with owls on the top of the branch and owls on the bottom of the branch, and I loved that. So why wouldn't I love this, right? It's the same concept. Love it. Love it. That'll be fun. That will be fun to do. Fun. And she'll have fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. A T-bird. Oh, sorry. Oh boy. Till it's getting near the end of my day here. I'm getting punchy. A little punchy. Okay, here are the rhinestones first. Well, no, it's not. Now let's go this way. Let's do the rhinestones first. Oh, these are awesome. I've been getting these lately. These are not the clear rhinestones. These are a really iridescent drill. Those are cool. These just, oh my God, these sparkle. I love these. They're so pretty. Love them. Look at those up there. Pink. Love them. Gold rhinestones, green. Okay, this is not a rhinestone, folks. That is a purple AB. Orange. How about a red AB? These are smooth. No, they're not. They're faster. A goldy bronze. How about the purpley blue AB? How about a glob? Would you like some glob of stuff right there? Yeah, with our teardrops. Some larger red, blues, more teardrops. No, marquee. Hello. More marquee. And some yellow. That's going to be fun. I love that. Okay. I have a feeling this is a quilling. I got a feeling. I mean, I kind of remember getting a couple from someone. It might be them. It might be them. Do. There is a toolkit. It's in there. This one's really flat. Oh, it is. Look, it is. I did get another one from them. Look. This one has very, very little to drill on it, actually. But the coloration of the background with the special drills on it is going to make it really just pop. These just pop right off the background. They're so cool. They are so cool. I love them. Okay, like I said, my collection is started. It's definitely started. Okay, and the drills. The drills are alive. Okay, ready? Oh, hang on. Bags. Rhinestones, blue, green, orange color, smoke on the water. Look at those. Okay, I don't know how many times I've sung in this video, but I apologize. Some pretty little orange ones. Some shards. I love these shards. I've been getting shards for the last 2 days. It's shards. Most of them been gold though. These are blue and green and aqua and all the pretty colors. Some little blue ones. Can you tell they're blue? No, there, flip the bag over. And we have the orange claws. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? The owls, we know, are adorable. Okay, this one's a softer canvas. This one's a thicker canvas. Where did the drills go for you? Look, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Where's this drill? Did they get mixed in with this? Are they underneath this? They're underneath. There's his drills. There we go. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Let me know what you think. So check out this company. I've never heard of them, but they have the fun quilling stuff. Not all of the sites have these special drill quilling paintings. But when I find them, I'm going to get them. Time to start my photo album. Take a picture so I know which ones I have. Love it. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll link them below. Check them out. What's your style? What's your style? It's your thing. Do what you want to do. Okay, I'm leaving now. Promise. Okay, hit the like button. Subscribe. Come back if you like goofy stuff. Yeah. Come see me again, okay? The show starts again. Never mind. Okay, bye, everybody. Bye.